Moving on from there, we'll talk about Xyng. And Xyng is probably the product that brought a lot of you to Singular. Xyng is fantastic. It recently went through kind of a makeover, and we added a lot of new benefits. So you still have those energy and mood benefits that everyone loves so much, but you also now have thyroid support. You have blood glucose control. You have cholesterol support. You have all these other things as well that aid in weight loss. So there's a lot of really cool benefits with Xyng. And I'll just highlight one or two ingredients real quick. One of the ingredients I like to talk about is Garcinia, because it's gotten a lot of really interesting press lately. But not a lot of people know how Garcinia works. They just know to go in and ask their local supplement shop for Garcinia. So the reason why Garcinia is so effective is because it actually slows the rate at which you digest carbohydrates. And why that's so important is because most of the carbohydrates we eat nowadays are processed sugars. So when you eat a lot of sugar, you imagine your blood sugar goes up like this. So your body creates insulin to compensate. But because we're getting such acute doses of these processed carbohydrates and these sugars now, our bodies are dropping too low because we're producing too much insulin. So we're going up and down like this all day. And when you're too low down here, you're going to crave more sugar. So you're going to eat it again, you're going to go up, and you're going to come back down. So that's all day. And in those 20 minutes that you go up and down like this, you have basically those 20 minutes to either burn or store that food, those calories. And most of the time you have a set amount that you can store, and you're not going to go run right after you've eaten. So it's all going to be stored as fat. So people always wonder, okay, how does Garcinia work? That's how it works. You take it with your food. It slows the absorption to 2 hours. So as opposed to 20 minutes, it's 2 hours. So your body produces the correct amount of insulin, and that allows it to not hypercompensate. It reduces cravings, therefore, and it increases serotonin levels as well. But then you also have Undaria extract in here, which is really cool. Not a lot of people know what that is. And you don't have to write this down. I don't expect anyone to write this down or be able to say this. But what Undaria extract does is it increases a protein in your body called UCP1. And UCP1 is really cool. It's been the subject of a lot of research studies lately. And UCP1, what it does, it's an uncoupling protein. And uncoupling proteins actually free up the fat from the fat cell to burn. So in one 16-week study, with Undaria extract alone, there was no lifestyle, no diet, no changes at all between the placebo and the Undaria extract group. There was a 15-pound weight loss compared to nothing with the placebo group. So no changes at all, 15 pounds. So you're going to lose weight regardless. And that's just one ingredient. When you combine that with the other 15 or so ingredients in here, you will have fantastic weight loss, but also great mood benefits, energy benefits as well. So the last thing we'll talk about